Bill Goudy checking in. Let's try this again. We're really gonna have some fried cabbage this time. I got the stuff in the works. It's windy. I'm telling you, it's still 95 degrees in the shade. It's still a hot one. And I think there's a heat advisory out until tomorrow night at, I don't know, 7 or 8 o'clock. So we're in for another 24 hours of some heat. It's a major south wind. Way too windy to get out there and fish, which is all right. I got plenty of work to do, so I'll fish next week is my plan. But let's get to cooking, shall we? I put some smaller logs to get that fire ready. You're going to burn down the coals. I'm going to cook this in the Dutch oven. You know, in my last video, I fell asleep. I may have had 4 amber fluids. I was totally relaxed. And listened to Dick Bartley, and it got late. I didn't eat. I had a liquid diet. I was tired, I tell you. I start my days at sunrise, you know, and my days usually end at sunset. Slightly right, just right after that, and then, you know, I get up and do it all over again. Well, you know, I try to stay up. Dick Bartley lasts till 10 o'clock. Well, sometime around 9:30, I think I fell asleep because I woke up right when Dick Bartley ended. That's the price you pay for total relaxation. A good campfire, some great music, some vessels of amber fluid. Some of the best sleeping there is, I'm telling you. Totally relaxed. Totally. Alright, I'm hungry now though. I'm telling you. I've been... Jaxx Drinkwater is the inspiration. If you didn't see that other video, look at my last video. It's cooking cabbage, or bush time with Bill, yeah, it turned out to be a bush time, that's for sure. All right, no bush tonight. We're gonna have cooked cabbage, and yeah, sun's going down. Maybe it'll cool down a little bit, I hope. I want to say thank you to Campmade. They just make an awesome product. You want one of these, or you want any Campmade accessories, the link will be down below. Check it out. Enter Goudy20 and get you 20% off. Alright, this looks good. Just what I wanted. Nice bed of coals. Look at that. Just perfect. I have a half a pound of bacon in here already chopped. Brown it up nicely. Oh, it smells so good. I love the smell. I love the smell of cooking bacon. Oh. Look at this. There's mushrooms. There's cauliflower. There's onion. There's bell pepper. Sweet peppers, yeah, and I didn't have chicken broth. I'm using beef broth. That's a half a cup of beef broth. Oh, did I mention that's a head of garlic in there? Let me tell you, that was hot. Now, for those of you that are worried, I've washed my spatula. Yeah. No cross-contamination here. I don't think it would really matter because this is all going to reach temperature. But nonetheless, I had running water, so I washed it off. Looking good. They're going to add the cabbage now. Purple and green cabbage, a half a head of each, chopped up. It's got to cook just a little bit longer. It's got a little juice left. See that? Just a little bit in there. It's cooking nicely though. Cooking right along. I got pepper and salt, and I don't usually salt, but I put a little bit of salt in this. And black pepper and garlic powder, as well as a whole head of garlic in there. This is for you, Dark. The Dutch Oven Wars. Check it out. Check out Dark Matter. I think it's DIY Dark Matter. The link will be down below. Check it out. Because I want this to cook down, I'm cooking this without the lid. I'm cooking off the liquids. That cabbage is so full of liquid, and this cooks it down and puts that glaze on it. Oh, it is so good. It's almost ready. It's got just a little bit more to go. Look at the colors. You can imagine the flavor. And look at the wind. Come on, let's get it over with. Yeah. Oh, got some cockroaches on you. Ouch. Those are hurting me. Where'd you get those at? A wild dog. Ouch. Alright. She's my sweetheart. Now I gotta wash my hands again. Did you get them? Huh? Are you gonna go get them? Look at that. It is done. Let's dish that up, shall we? Can you see that kickstand from Camp Made? It's just an awesome tool, I'm telling you. Gives me a place to set my lid down. Look at the moisture. Look at the water coming out of that. Whoa! Look at that, huh? Just a perfect place to set that. Can you believe the moisture that came out of that? Perfect caramelization. Look at that. Steamy goodness. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but I got Texas Pete. I got salt and pepper. Oh yeah. I did not add the honey. No, I didn't have any. I used beef broth instead of chicken broth. I got a whole head of garlic in there, but I also used garlic powder as well. Look at that. Oh. Put the lid back on to keep it warm, because I think I'm going to have more than one bowl. I think it was, I can't remember now, Scott Pearson? I think it was Scott. Maybe it was somebody else. I wanted to know more about this lantern I got at the, it's an LED lantern. It works on 3 AAA batteries. It cost me $10. I got it at the farm store. And it seems to work all right. And then I already had that lantern, and then I'm just using this, I don't know, LED flashlight. I'm doing my best for you guys. So I got some cauliflower and cabbage. I can taste the smokiness, but the Texas Pete. Oh, the extra hot sauce I'm using. Thank you, Carolina Chris. Oh, look at that. Look at the goodness. Some of you would like potatoes and would put potatoes in this. And, you know, I avoid potatoes. That's what the cauliflower is in there for. Look at that, will you? Will you look at that? That is so good. I'd like to hang around and talk to you a little bit more, but it's getting dark. It's getting too dark to see. I want to thank Jaxx Drinkwater for the inspiration. This is just so good, I'm telling you. And I want to thank Dark Matter, DIY Dark Matter, for the Dutch Oven Wars. I don't know if this will be Lucy Lou approved or not. The only thing it's got in it is bacon. The rest are all veggies. And you know, the bacon is optional. It really is. You can make this all veggies. It's so good. I gotta go. Talk at you later. Bill Goudy out.